Step 1. Preparing the materials. Begin by cutting out the purse pattern. For easier tracing, transfer the pattern onto cardboard, such as an empty cereal box. Trace the pattern onto iron-on batting and carefully cut it out, noting the side with white dots as the fusible side to face the fabric. Cut the lining fabric using the same pattern as the batting. Step 2. Patchworking the front piece. Iron the fabric scraps to flatten them, then cut into 2 to 3 cm wide strips. Starting at a corner, overlay the first fabric strip with the second, right sides facing each other, and sew along the edge. Unfold the second strip, press, and top stitch. Repeat this process, sewing strips together and unfolding them until the entire batting is covered. Trim excess fabric. Step 3. Assembling the purse body. Fold the lining fabric and follow the pattern, marking the sewing stop point. Sew along the marked lines. Mark the sewing stop point on the front piece as well. Sew along the marked lines. Fold the corners and mark a 3 cm sewing line on each corner. Stitch along the marked lines to create the corners. Trim excess fabric from the corners. Turn the front piece right side out. Insert the front piece into the lining pocket. Aligning raw edges and pinning them together. Stitch along the edges. Leaving an opening for turning. Trim the fabric close to the stitching line. Carefully turn the purse right side out. Sew the opening closed. 4. Hand sewing the metal frame. Begin by stitching in the middle of the sewing line, allowing the knot to show as it will be covered by the metal frame. Stitch the needle as indicated in the provided picture. Place the metal frame onto the purse body. Pull the needle out and set it aside. This step hides the initial stitch knot. Gently insert the purse edge into the metal frame gap, using pins if needed. Stitch through the second hole on the metal frame, then into the first hole. Progress to the third hole, then back into the second hole. Continue this pattern, 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, 5 to 4, and so on, to secure the purse to the frame. Try to maintain a consistent stitching line on the inner edge. Knot the thread on the stitch and hide it within the fabric. Trim any excess thread. Congratulations, your charming fabric scraps coin and card purse is complete.